So good morning students, welcome to Premchand Memorial Public School in 6th class. Okay, we will study today English Reader chapter 1, that is a poem, Life Doesn't Frighten Me. Okay, it is based on childhood, its theme is childhood. Okay, so its poetess is Miss Maya Angelou. Let me tell you something about the poetess first. So its poetess is Maya Angelou, Miss Maya Angelou. She is a famous American poet, storyteller, activist. Activist means karyakarta and autobiographer. Autobiographer means when one's write about oneself. She is famous for a series of autobiographical volumes. Volumes means here books in which her childhood and early adult experiences are there. So मिस माया एंजेलो अमेरिकन हैं, ये स्टोरी टेलर भी हैं, एक्टिविस्ट भी हैं और इन्होंने ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखी है कि एक सीरीज लिखी है जिसमें उन्होंने अपने अर्ली अडल्ट एक्सपीरियंस बताए हैं और अपने चाइल्डहुड के भी एक्सपीरियंस बताए हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First of all, I am telling you kickstart. Okay, so growing up also means growing out of fear. Big children learn to be logical, sensible, and brave. They don't worry about ghosts under the bed, thunder, darkness, or being alone. Life Doesn't Frighten Me is a poem about a little girl's strength not to let certain things in life frighten her. Okay, so let me tell you in easy English. Okay, try to understand. I will tell you Hindi later after the poem, but just try to understand in English also. So when we grow up, जब हम बड़े होते हैं, we starts becoming brave, sensible, and understand all logical things. Logical means reasonable things. We don't afraid of anything which frighten us in childhood. It's a poem about little girl who doesn't let anyone or anything frighten her. Okay, so let's start the poem. Shadows on the wall, noises down the hall. Life doesn't frighten me at all. Bad dogs barking loud, big ghost in a cloud. Life doesn't frighten me at all. Okay, so she wants to tell here that she doesn't afraid of anything like shadows on a wall, noises in the hall, dogs barking. Dogs barking means it's a sound of dog, loud sounds of dog, and sometimes it seems that there are ghosts in the cloud. They all things cannot make the poet afraid. Now ghost means devil, bhoot. So she wants to tell here that she doesn't afraid of anything. Okay, they don't frighten me at all. Dragons breathing flame on my counterpane. That doesn't frighten me at all. I go boo, make them shoo. I make fun. Way they run. I won't cry, so they fly. Okay, so she wants to tell here she doesn't afraid now from Mother Goose. Mother Goose means it's a collection of nursery rhymes in which many characters are there. So she want to say that she doesn't afraid of these characters also. She doesn't afraid of lions. Those are escaped. Escape means ran away from their cage. She doesn't afraid of dragon who breathing out fire on her bed sheet. Bed sheet means it is a word here counterpane. Counterpane means bed sheet. Now she enjoys by making them shoo. SHOO. Shoo means make somebody go away. किसी को भगाना. And she doesn't cry by seeing them. So she wants to tell here that she doesn't afraid of anything. She enjoys making them cry. Okay, and seeing them rain away. Okay, now come to next page. Okay, I just smile. They go wild. Life doesn't frighten me at all. Tough guys fight all alone at night. Life doesn't frighten me at all. Panthers in the park, strangers in the dark. No, they don't frighten me at all. That new classroom where boys all pull my hair. Kissy little girls with their hair in curls. They don't frighten me at all. So she wants to tell here, she smiles now. Whoever go angry doesn't mean for her. She doesn't afraid whoever fight in night. She doesn't afraid of panthers. Panthers means it's a member. It's a family member of cat family. So strangers in night even. Strangers means whom we don't know. Ajnabi. She doesn't afraid of new school where boys pull her hair. Means whoever in new school irritate her. She doesn't afraid of anyone in school also. whether they tease her or pull her curly hair. Okay, so come to next. Don't show me frogs and snakes and listen for my scream. If I am afraid at all, it's only in my dreams. I have got a magic charm that I keep up my sleeve. I can walk the ocean floor and never have to breathe. Life doesn't frighten me at all, not at all, not at all. Life doesn't frighten me at all. Okay, so she wants to tell here that she doesn't afraid of anyone. Okay, anyone who show her frogs, snakes, and wait for her cries. At last, she said she afraid sometimes in her dreams, and for that she tied a magic charm. Magic charm means it's a kind of a bracelet or necklace. A magic charms means tabiz on her arm. Now she can move on ocean also. So that much confidence she has now. So ultimately she wants to say she never afraid of anything in her life. Okay, so this was the poem that I told you in easy English also. Now I am telling you in Hindi. Okay, सो जो माया एंजलो हैं, जो पोइटेस हैं, वो बताना चाहती हैं कि किसी भी चीज़ से उन्होंने अब डरना बंद कर दिया है, चाहे वो किसी की शेडो हो, कैसा भी शोर हो, डॉग्स के भौंकने की आवाज़ हो, कोई भी बादल में जो भूत जैसा लगे, वो अब किसी चीज़ से नहीं डरती हैं। बचपन में सुनी हुई पोएम्स के करेक्टर्स भी अब उसे नहीं डराते। लॉयंस जो पिंजरे से भाग गए हैं और वो उस तक पहुंच सकते हैं, उनसे भी नहीं डरती है वो। कोई ड्रैगन से उसे डर नहीं लगता जो कि आग निकालता हो मुंह से। उनको भगाकर वो अब हंसती है। कोई भी लड़े, तेंदुआ या अजनबी, किसी से भी डर नहीं लगता उनको अब। उसको उसको अब नई क्लासमेट्स जो कि उसके करली हेयर को, घुंघराले बालों को छेड़कर उसे परेशान करते थे, उनसे भी उन्हें डर नहीं लगता। और जो लोग उसको फ्रॉग से, स्नेक से डराते थे और उसके इंतज़ार करते थे कि वो रोए, वो अब उनसे भी नहीं डरती। अब हाँ, कभी कभी उसे डर लगता है, वो भी अपने सपनों से। उसके लिए उसने ताबीज़ बांध लिया है। ताबीज़ बांधने के बाद तो उसे सपनों से भी डर नहीं लगता। वो फ्रीली ओशियन पर भी वॉक कर सकती है। शी वॉन्ट्स टू टेल हेयर दैट शी कैन वॉक ऑन ओशियन। दैट्स एन इमेजिनेशन ओनली। ओके, ओशन पे तो कोई नहीं चल सकता। सो वो सो अल्टीमेटली जो पोएटेस हैं वो ये कहना चाहती है कि वो किसी से भी नहीं डरती हैं। ओके, सो दिस वाज योर पोएम। होप you would have understood. So just read the poem by correct pronunciation and learn word meanings until your assignment comes. Bye. Take care.